As explained in the previous video patterns, number sequence is a set of numbers arranged according to a certain pattern. And we can describe the patterns by using words, number, and algebraic expression. For this set of numbers, the pattern is plus 10 every time. So in words, we can write as add 10 to the previous number. And in number, we can write as plus 10. For algebraic expression, first we need to define each number into a certain pattern. So 3 is equals to 3 plus 10 multiplies with 0, which is 0, so 3 plus 0 is 3. And for the second term, 13, which is equals to 3 plus 10. So 13 is 3 plus 10 multiplies with 1. And for the next term, 23, which is equals to 3 plus 2 times of 10, so 10 times 2. And for 33, which is 3 plus 3 times of 10, which is 10 times 3. So you can get an algebraic expression 3 plus 10n, where n is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And let's see other examples. Determine the pattern for the number sequences below using algebraic expression. So for this number sequence, you can see that the pattern is actually minus 8. So 92, we can define it as 92 minus 8 multiplies with 0. And 84 is actually 92. 84 is 92 minus 8 times 1. And 76 is 92 minus 8 and minus 8. So you can write it as minus 8 times 2. And 68 is actually 92 minus 8, which has 3 times of minus 8. And you can write it as minus 8 times 3. So the pattern is 92 minus 8n, where n start with 0, 1, 2, 3. For question B, you can see that the pattern is start with a positive number and negative and positive negative. So this possible is a multiplication. So the pattern is multiplies with negative 5. Then we need to define 3. So 3 is equals to 3 multiplies with negative 5 power to the power of 0. Negative 5 to the power of 0 is actually equals to 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. And the next term is negative 15. So negative 15 is equals to 3 times negative 5 to the power of 1. So only 1 time of negative 5. And 75 is equals to 3 times negative 5 2 times. So 2 times of negative 5 we write it as power 2. And negative 375 is 3 times negative 5 3 times. So negative 5 power 3. The pattern is 3 times negative 5 to the power of n, where n is start with 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. For question C, you can see that the number is decreasing in a certain ratio. So this pattern is actually divide 4. So 64 is actually equals to 64 divided by 4 to the power of 0, 4 to the power of 0, which is 1. And 16 is 64 divided by 4 one time to the power of 1. And 4 is equals to 64 divide 4 and divide 4. So 2 times of 4, 4 to the power of 2. And 1 is equals to 64 divide 4 divide 4 divide 4. So 4 power 3. The pattern is 64 divided by 4 to the power of n, where n start with 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. The n term in the number sequence is written as Tn, whereby n is the position of the term. For example, for this sequence 3, 13, 23, the first sequence, the first term is equals to 3. The second term, T2, is 13, this second term, and the third term is 23, and the fourth term is 33. This is just to let you know that the n term is actually the numbers of terms, the position inside of a sequence. So the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, and so on.